Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see an interesting topic, which really interesting. So because the people who overall want to start the YouTube channel and want to monetize your content, it's really interesting, right? But if you search in the Google or YouTube, you will get many more contents and many more available resources to become a good YouTuber. So even though you get some more struggles initially to get 1k subscribers to monetize your content with good content, right? So because of YouTube algorithm. So have you ever wondered how YouTube algorithm works? If you search anywhere, you will get answered, but it's really matter, right? As a YouTuber, you should know about how the algorithm it's work and how you have to monetize your content, right? So because first I will give few interesting things at initial stage, how you have to grow your channel and how you have to monetize and your content, and how you have to get 1k subscribers initially. And because if you are really creating good content, then you will get good viewers, then you will also not get disappointed, and viewers also, they will also like to watch what you are explaining, what you are trying to tell. It's really important, right? You are also putting a lot of time and efforts to create good video, and the people who are all watching your video, they're also giving their time for your video. It's like a trading, right? So it's really important to give the good content the viewers who are all watching your video. The first thing first, so initially your channel is if you are starting the channel from the scratch, you should know about initial stages, how you have to set the keywords and tags as per your video, and title and thumbnail. So to creating video, it's take quite time, but and also get viewers for your video, it is also very important, right? Then getting subscribers to bring our channel to next level, that is also very important, right? So here you should follow few steps. First, when you are creating video and you are putting the title, you have to do a lot of research to find exact keywords and what are the keywords, because the people should not type as per your title, I want this video as per this title. You know, everyone know, right? They search with few keywords. So after creating your video, you have to put accordingly as per the, if you are a viewer and if you want some things to search in web, how you will get the idea. So like that you have to search. If you are creating one video, then you have to search. For example, in this video I'm explaining few things. So I want to grow my channel like this, to get the subscribers like this, means you have to put some keywords. So like that only it will work. So if you are, basically it's totally depends on the search engine optimization. So YouTube algorithm, it won't change, but it's critical to understand, get the viewers as per their needs. First, what will happen if you need to search something, where we will go? You will go some websites or search engines, our browser will go and search the things what we want, and we will click, and next we will click image, right? Then next we will click if you want to see videos, then videos. By the same time, while searching itself, the YouTube will get the content, the user needs this one, so next directly everything will be shorted out as per the video. Then while you enter into the video part, you will get the content, and as per your need, it will suggest many things in below this This is many YouTubers, big creators, everyone, they create a lot of videos and a lot of insight. As per this, it will be suggest many videos, right, in one by one. So like that only the search engine, YouTube search engine will work. So once you created the first video, you will not get viewers or subscribers, don't worry. You will be definitely get good viewers and good subscribers as per your content monetization and as per your content value. So next, if you are putting some title and some keywords and your description, everything it matters, each and everything it matters initially. So you should get a little bit of insight how we have to organize the things, like initially what are the things needs to be set, for example keywords and title, descriptions and tags, and if you are moving forward how you have to use the cards, and like that it will be happen. So initially you create one video and you upload the video, you will not get the proper viewers and subscribers. So next you have to do what you have to do, you will wait for some optimization. As per once you get the full knowledge, then you will get to understand what it is going, what you have to do, what's the next. You will follow the same procedure, right? So it will take some time to understand the entire concept, what it is going exactly, what you need to optimize, what are the things you have to change, and like that you will go. Okay, here I given few things, only little bit of insight. First you have to create good title and good keywords. As per your title you have to put the keywords and thumbnail, then only the people who are seeing your video, they will get to understand, okay, we are going to see this one. It should be like, it really matters, each and everything really matters. And be patient, it will be really worth it. You will get good knowledge, and don't worry if you are not getting viewers or subscribers, definitely you will be. And consistently you have to place and you consistently have to put your videos, then only you will get good subscribers or good viewers, and to monetize your content, help your friends and whoever your subscriber, you will help them to understand what you are trying to give them, because they are trading their time with you, what you are really going to give them, it's really matter, right? So like that it will be go. So initially it will take some time and you should understand the entire algorithm, how it is work. So this is 2023, it's really good time to start a YouTube channel. So YouTube algorithm, it never changed, it's not changed, it's still in the optimization progress. So everything is based on search engine optimization, the keywords, the viewers, how they are searching the video, it's really matter. So based on that you have to think, then only while moving forward, the people who are in the beginning stage, they will get good understanding about the YouTube algorithm. It's really matter, right? And thanks for watching this video. I hope this is really help for the beginners. I'm also a beginner, so I think you should work on yourself. It will be really good to create good content. And thank you all, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and you guys will get really good content upcoming days. So good, interesting insight and invention, how it's working, what is the progress. So you'll really get good interesting tech news. And thank you all, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. If it is really worth it, give thumbs up. If it is not good, give dislike. And one more thing I forgot, so it's really matter how the search engine optimization work, right? I explained previously. And also if your content really needs to be engaged, so the comment section, likes and share, everything it's matter, because if the people searching few things, right, then it should be based on the YouTube algorithm, it will suggest few things which is randomized things all the more views based on same topic. It's really good to you like that. So people don't forget to like and subscribe and give comments whatever it is. I can give my insight as per my knowledge. It's really worth it, guys. So hope you all it will be helpful to you all. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.